Wait, no, it's November. Yo, get it. Yo, get it. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing the most exciting mod yet. We're doing downpipe.
I don't know what's going on. I hope I'm on your mind. On your mind. I've got 70,000 friends, so I guess I'll be alright.
So I got mine from VRSF. They're probably the best bang for your buck when it comes to downpipes. And if you like what you see by the end of this video, you can use my link in the description below to purchase your own set. So this video is going to have everything from an install tutorial to a startup reaction to sound clip comparison. So if you're here for something specific, you can use the little chapter sliders below and skip to the chapter that you want to watch. Or if you're a real one, you'll go ahead and watch the whole thing. That about does it for the intro, guys. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, we just got into the shop. We got the car on the lift, guys. We're about to start the install. So let's go ahead and roll the tutorial.
Nearly gave you a heart attack. Thought I told you about your back. Never know what to expect down here. That's the only solid fact. Guess I'd rather be on vacation. Guess I haven't got the education. I don't really have an explanation. So I found a new game to play. Thought I told you to stay away.
Alright, guys, we just got done with the top side of the car. Gonna start on underneath the car, but before that, this is how pay back your friend for letting you rent his garage. Wait, don't look in the trunk yet. Don't look in the trunk yet. Trunk.
I look need one for
Michael. Let's go.
This is worth more than money.
Yeah,
this is worth more than currency on its
This is how you pay. Oh, what?
Yeah. Shoot. What the fuck, dude? Through it. This is how it's gonna sound. It's gonna be right there.
Damn, bro, that's louder than the car itself.
Civic. We're trying to race one.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and ignore this. There might be a reason why my tires are like this.
Anyway, so yeah, guess you're welcome to overstay. Don't build up your expectations. It's not a good time to test my patience. And don't get in this situations.
Alright, so we just got the first downpipes out. The cats on this are so fat. Alright, we're almost done with the install, guys. This is the hardest part, trying to finagle the downpipes out.
Where I want. Said I probably lost my mind. Well, you're welcome to try and find.
Alright, guys, almost done. Gonna go ahead and hear the first startup.
Alright, ready? Alright, bismillah. Holy f***. Yo, put your turbos on. Oh my god, you can hear the turbos. You hear
It's
it?
not gonna burble until it's warmed up.
Yo, how does it feel?
Bro, it sounds so good. Makes me wanna.
Yes.
Alright, you wanna run it?
No, not on these tires.
That is my only advantage, bro. You want me to go into a wall?
That's your advantage?
Hey, wait.
Wait, no, it's November. Yo, get it! Yo, get it! Get back, everybody!
Let's see this. Alright, aim it down.
Oh, fuck. Where are you? Oh, God. Oh my goodness. Oh shit, this thing's fast. Doesn't it? You think battery percentage matters?
I don't know. Oh my god. Alright guys, so alright, so it's the next day. We got the tune to finally work. I think it was a problem with my phone because every time I tried to use the OBD connection on my phone, it wouldn't work. But after we tried it on my friend's phone, we finally got the tune to work, and now we've got the burbles, we've got the full thing, the full experience with the downpipes, and I'm so unbelievably happy with it. It sounds so good, it sounds so aggressive, and it's definitely not obnoxious. But I'm definitely gonna have to start using efficient mode a lot more. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys a couple of sound clips so we can compare what it sounded like when it was stock versus what it sounds like now. I think there's a pretty big difference, but it's not too big until we get our mid pipes, which are on the way already. I'm so excited for them because that's when we're gonna get like the full like wow experience on the tone and the sound of the car. Anyways guys, let's get straight into the comparisons.
Give me confidence, I'm saying what I mean. Now the Zannies help me slow up, the leaning help me speed down. Ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', I'm gon' hit it if she beat now. Callin', yeah, she callin', your bitch got me on the speed down. Down through the rents, I look at faces, don't see no smiles. It's grimy in the six, who can I trust? I never know now. Sprite is extra dark, now my doggy in the